Hello there, this is me, Abdul Alim, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about how we can create a subdomain um, in Hostinger through our main domain. So let's see how we can create a subdomain. First of all, we have to go the Hostinger. Um, this is my Hostinger dashboard. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go the home and look at that. Here is two domain, and this is one and this is number two domain. So I want to create a subdomain under this domain. This is my agency domain, this is my agency website domain, unlimited growth drive. So as you can see, here is an on button, manage button. So first of all we have to go the manage, and then here is another manage site. There you go. Look at that, here is manage site. So click on manage site. After that, the left side under the domain option, click the domain, and look at that, here is subdomain option. So if I'm gonna click on subdomain, then as you can see here, here is a box here. So I'm going to write here like my subdomain dot our main domain.com. Okay, then here is a create button. So I'm gonna click on the create button, and look at that, our subdomain, new subdomain has been already created, and those are the another subdomain that I have created and worked accordingly. So this is the new subdomain that I have created. Look at that, my subdomain.unlimitedgrowthdrive.com. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you another thing, how we can install WordPress in this subdomain. Okay, so to install the WordPress, we have to go the website option. If I'm gonna click on the website option, then as you can see here, look at that, here is on another option, auto installer. So if I'm gonna click on the auto installer, then look at that, here is multiple option, WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, and others. And look at that, here is another subdomain. This is the subdomain, this is my main domain, this is my another subdomain that I have installed the WordPress. Okay, so in this subdomain, my new subdomain, I want to install WordPress. That's why I'm select the WordPress, and then look at that, here is a website title. I will give a title, my subdomain. Okay, and here is most important thing. Look at that, here is an advanced option. If I don't go, if I'm gonna skip this option, this advanced option, and then if I'm gonna select the next option, then WordPress will be installed with my main domain. Okay, that's why we don't we don't skip this option. Okay, so if I'm gonna click on the advanced, then look at that, here is installer path. It's selecting the main domain. So from here we have to select our subdomain, new subdomain, my subdomain at the right of my subdomain.com. Okay, so let's see what happened, and then we have to choose a, okay, now we have to select a username. So this is the username automatically saved, and here is an administrator password. So I'm gonna set on password, a strong password. Okay, this is the password, and then we have to click on the next now. Okay, the username set, the password set, and our subdomain is set. Okay, this is recommended. Okay, and then now we have to click on the next option. If I'm gonna click on next option, here is another option. This is recommended. Okay, no problem. And then if I'm gonna click on the install, then look at that, the WordPress is installing under our new subdomain. So we have to uh, keep some time. Okay, it's loading, and I mean it's installing. Okay, it's need to few seconds to install this WordPress under the subdomain. And look at that, already already WordPress has been installed in our new subdomain. Look at that, my subdomain .unlimitedgrowthdrive.com. Okay, if I'm gonna click on the WP admin, then we will redirect our WP admin dashboard. Okay, so look at that, what's happened actually, it's redirecting. And finally we redirect our WP admin dashboard, and look at that, here is our site title, my subdomain. If I'm gonna click on the new tab, then look at that, this is the website content, and this is the backend. So from here we can create post, we can create a new page, and we can install the plugin and everything. Very good. Okay, so that is actually thing. Okay, thank you so much.